Are we there yet? Creating art is more about going on a journey and less about immediately arriving at a destination. Think about all the experiences you've had and the memories you've made along the way. The thoughts that start with the words, "what if?" often make you look beyond a reference and think outside the box. That's how you add your own flair to art. The bright yellow of the lemons is what first caught my attention, and knowing I didn't want to merely copy the reference image, I decided to make this an experiment in mixed media as well. From preparing the surface to choosing supplies, learn to enjoy every step in the process, because new ideas are born in these moments. Like changing routes on course, you might find yourself tweaking your designs on the go. I often use the tonal value stage as practice. It also gives me time to think about features in the painting I want to highlight and those I want to blur. If you're not a fan of fine details, simplify the design. When I looked at the intricate pattern on the plate, I thought of replacing it with piano keys and decided to add some wordplay to the title at that very moment. Ideas will pop out of anywhere. Are you paying attention? Are you slowing down to consider them? Or are you rushing to finish the piece? Some ideas, as you may already know, arrive at the 11th hour, and those are often the best ones. By playing with acrylic and two different types of oil pastels, I realized that the texture of the paper affects the overall look. So what do you do when there are unexpected obstacles? You can either make the most of it, or try another surface for the next project. Whether you know it or not, you do have your own style. It is often realized by the act of drawing or painting and then seeing it through to the end. We're all capable of so much more than just the ordinary. You might find that perseverance is what pushes you beyond the limits to think outside the box. Thanks for watching.